सबसे पहले तो क्या
Very good late evening to you.
Thank you very much. Same to you. You look very pleasant and happy.
या सेम है, आप ऐसे लग रहे थे बिल्कुल सूरजमुखी का फूल रात के समय भी।
Natural beauty, God's blessing. I was born like this.
शाहरुख आप
I'm a rose.
हमेशा आप अपना वादा निभाते हैं, ज़रूर आते हैं, चाहे लेट भी हो जाते हैं। कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सचिन के बारे में, अपनी दोस्ती के बारे में?
Sachin's been an old friend and always been there for me. And I'm one of the few people, or one of the closer people, who encourage him to go ahead and make films. I like people making films, as actors, as directors, as producers. And I'm glad the kind of cinema that he's been producing or been part of has been extremely classy and nice. And I wish Jackpot, I wish Sunny, I wish Kaizad, who's doing a film after a long time.
Thank you.
He's one of the finer, edgier directors that we have. It's always nice to have everyone back and making films, as many as they can. So I wish the film the best. I wish Sachin all the best, and Viking, the production unit, which has put this all together. I really wish them the best because I like films, and I hope this one does.
आज आपका पहला क्लीन शेविंग लुक में पहली बार आए हैं और मतलब इतने समय बाद, और वो भी इस प्रीमियर पे।
Do you find me sexy?
what are you looking forward to see
supportive for Sachin? Shahrukh, you have been always supportive for Sachin. Aren't you planning for a movie with Sachin for your home production as a lead actor for Sachin?
Yeah, if he wants to. I told him actually sometime back, but he said, "Bhai, I want to do this stuff on my own." I think which is a much larger context of life than taking a help of a friend who's been established for 22 years, and I salute him for that.
But after Bollywood में सारी actors के साथ romance किया, if you get a chance to romance with Sunny Leone,
She was saying,
I without deriding or saying anything, I mean, I'd say with all my love, I've never been part of casting my films. The directors cast the film, but if there is a film that I'm fortunate enough to work with Sunny, I would be only too happy.
सर थोड़ा सा हिंदी में अभी ये बता रही थी हमें कि she wants to work and it's a
हाँ, और आपके नाम से बहुत ज़्यादा excited
would be a blessing, like,
I'm starstruck.
मैंने आपको क्या बताया? I wouldn't know what to say, or I'd probably sound like
Yeah,
a
you said that
dork,
you'd be
so-
starstruck if Shah Rukh Khan is here.
No.
But
I'm
neither did
starstruck.
you hug him, or everybody usually pounces on him.
I'm in awe.
Not
this is
in
your
front of
jackpot.
you. We
This
do
is your
that.
jackpot today. This is your jackpot.
Don't embarrass her. See, every artist, every actor, I think they have their own caliber. And I genuinely pray, and inshallah all of them do much better than I've been fortunate enough, or I've had the jackpot to have done so far. And please don't take anybody's importance away from them. So Sunny is a wonderful actor, so is Sachin and Kaizad and everyone, Nasir Bhai of course, and I wish them all the best. So don't make them feel that they're in the presence of a star who's done it and they still have to do it. I think all of them are very good.
शाहरुख, आपका सबसे बड़ा जैकपॉट क्या होगा? हम जैकपॉट की बात करें, जैकपॉट के प्रीमियर पे आप आए हो, तो लाइफ का ऐसा कोई जैकपॉट होगा या
Two things I
want to
think.
achieve in fact?
I don't want to take away from the factor of love, but and luck. But I think my jackpot is my hard work, and my biggest jackpot is for 23 years. People have been consistently liking me so much. So I thank all the people for this kind of jackpot, which very few people get.
Shahrukh, ऐसी
थोड़ा
खबरें
हिंदी
आ रही
में
है कि
आपको सम्मानित किया जा रहा है इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी से, कुछ बताएंगे?
कौन सी वाली?
वॉटन्स यूनिवर्सिटी से कुछ ऐसी खबर आई है?
नहीं, वॉटन से मुझे सम्मानित नहीं किया जा रहा है। वहाँ पे जो हमारी फिल्म थी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, उसका जो डिजिटल मीडिया मार्केटिंग था, उसको सम्मानित किया गया है, जिसके बारे में मैं श्रेय नहीं ले सकता हूँ। वहाँ पे लोग हैं जो काम करते हैं, but yeah, that's it.
What are you looking forward to see jackpot in fact?
Yes, I'd love to see it. Yeah, I'm sorry I work late, and it always happens that though Sachin was kind enough to hold the film for 30 minutes, but still I'm late. But I like to see the film from the beginning, so inshallah at home, if Kaizad allows me, please. I will.
Shahrukh, we all know that Red Chillies का सबसे best VFX team है यहाँ पे, and we also got reports that Sajid Nadiadwala की next kick का VFX Red Chillies करने वाली है. So is there any confirmation on that?
Honestly, tell me, do I look like the CEO of Red Chillies VFX? Right? I'm a movie star. It's a company that I own in terms of being a director. So I don't know the modalities, but if they're doing it, it'll only be nice. I have no idea of the business they do, except for the home productions they do. So I know they're doing Happy New Year, but if they're doing any other film, Sajid's or anyone else's, I'd be only happy. But I can't confirm it because I wouldn't. But you ask Red Chillies को Harry or Ketan Dilwala.
कुछ बता रहे थे, कुछ आप स्टूडियो की ऐसी खबर मैंने आज देखी अखबार में, कुछ स्टूडियो ले।
मैंने कितनी बार तुम्हें बोला, जो खबरें तुम्हारे चैनल पे आती हैं और अखबार में आती हैं उनको माना मत करो, उनको एंजॉय करा करो, उससे खुश हुआ करो। मुझे तो ये नहीं मालूम कि असल स्टूडियो है कहाँ।
अच्छा, नहीं, पर ऐसा मैंने सोचा आपसे कंफर्म कर लूँ पहले, इसलिए पूछा आपसे।
और अगर लिया होगा तो आएगा तू वहाँ पे शूटिंग करने के लिए। दुआ करो कि मुझको ऐसा बड़ा सा
मैंने
स्टूडियो मिल जाए।
आपको सी रॉक के लिए भी बोला था,
वो भी नहीं हुआ।
करते
तो तू मत बोला कर मुझको।
आप उस पर आगे नहीं मत बढ़े।
नहीं हुआ ही नहीं यार, बट इंशाल्लाह दुआ करो कि एक अच्छा स्टूडियो हम सब बना सकें, साथ में मिलकर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वाले, जो बहुत खूबसूरत।
न्यू ईयर के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? नया साल कहाँ बिताएंगे आप?
मैं बच्चों के साथ और फैमिली के साथ ही रहता हूँ, सो उन्हीं के साथ रहूँगा, तो जहाँ पर वो होंगे वहीं पर बताऊँगा।
सर, एक ऐसी खबर आ रही थी कि पंजाब एक्सप्रेस बन रही है, बट रेपुटेशंस ऑफ हीरोइन आर नॉट नेवर डन इन बॉलीवुड, बेसिकली इट टेक्स सम टू,
देयर इज नो फिल्म लाइक दैट यार।
बट आई वांट टू टेक द बिग ऑन शो फॉर पंजाब एक्सप्रेस.
Punjab Express, I have not heard of a film called Punjab Express. Rohit said it.
Yeah.
He must be joking with you. Yeah.
आप प्लीज अलाउ टू आस्क 16 दिसंबर को जो विमेन का दिल्ली में केस हुआ था उसको 1 साल हो जाएगा, क्या कहना चाहिए?
Don't use this opportunity. We are here to celebrate a premiere. Wrong place, wrong time. Come over to the house, take time from Pooja, drop in there. If it's a serious issue, talk to me seriously, honestly, and I'll speak to you seriously. But
one new year wish.
Thank you.
Shahrukh,
Yeah, could you please wish
look at
the
the camera.
viewers?
हाँ, you all the viewers are very happy.
But हम मिलते रहेंगे, तुझे मालूम है, till 31st. And you guys are gonna make me do this 100 of
हम
times.
लोग जल्दी कर लेना तो वो stop हो जाता है.
Okay. So for everyone who's here and who'll be there again before 2014 starts, here's wishing all the viewers a very, very happy new year. And apart from that, my friends all here, the best of luck for this year and inshallah for the next year, and be healthy and happy everyone.
कौन-कौन आ रहे हैं? क्या गेस्ट बताएंगे? कौन-कौन आ रहे हैं?
वेल सभी लोगों को इनवाइट किया हुआ है, सारे दोस्तों को बोला है, अभी सोहेल भाई आके गए एंड काफ़ी लोग वहाँ से आने क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत भीड़ है. आई मीन इट इज़ नाइस जेस्चर ऑफ हिम कि उनका मेरे ख्याल से बाजू में एक सलमान भाई का इवेंट हो रहा है एंड स्वीट ऑफ हिम टू कम एंड मेनी अदर फ्रेंड्स आर गोइंग टू बी हियर.
एक्साइटेड हो, नर्वस हो, क्या है?
मैं एक्साइटेड हूँ, नर्वस भी हूँ, टिमिड भी हूँ, मतलब चारों सब मिक्स इमोशन हो गए मेरे अंदर इस वक्त, पता नहीं, तो अभी देखो क्या होता है.
How's the feeling now?
It's absolutely amazing. There's so many people here. As an actor, as an actress, you hope that people are interested in, जो आप कर रहे हैं. So I'm happy everybody's here. I'm excited. I hope that the movie's a hit. We all hit the jackpot.
सनी जी, आपके लिए भी जैकपॉट है, मतलब ये जैकपॉट लग चुका है?
हाँ, जब मैं बॉलीवुड में आई थी, I think everybody will agree, ये मेरा जैकपॉट है. And ये मेरा second movie release है, so I'm super excited about it.
सचिन जी कहाँ था एग्जैक्टली? वो अब तक रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, तो मलाल रहेगा कि रहा है अब तक?
वेल मज़ा तो फिल्म में बहुत है, मतलब एग्जैक्टली गाना नहीं है, थोड़ा दुख ज़रूर होता है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, चीज़ें होती है, एक्सपीरियंस होता है, कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. मैं बहुत खुश होता अगर वो गाना होता फिल्म में, बट कोई बात नहीं.
वैसे क्या बात हुई थी कि तुमने कहा था कि ये कट कर लो?
वेल मैंने कहा कि अगर इसमें कट करना चाहो तो 4.5 मिनट का गाना आप कितना काटोगे? बोला 30 सेकेंड रहेगा गाना बचेगा, तो 4 मिनट उनको काटना था, तो मैंने कहा इससे तो आप गाना ही नहीं रखो. उनको ये आपत्ति थी कि जो सच्चाई में इंडिया की जो सूरत है कि मेरा भारत है महान, फिर भी सब है परेशान, पैसा पावर ही पहचान, सब चलता है सब बिकता है यहाँ, तो उनका ऐसा कहना था कि ये गाना हमारे देश के विपरीत है, मतलब लोगों को भड़काने वाला गाना. इसमें वल्गर है, पैंचो बोला तो मतलब वो वल्गर है, तो काफ़ी चीज़ें विवाद में थी उसमें, बट फाइनली उन्होंने बैन कर दिया.
आपकी फिल्म फजूल रिलीज है, सामने फिल्म कोई नहीं आ रही है, कि जैकपॉट ही है, और अगले हफ्ते धूम 3 आ रही है, तो लग रहा है कि हफ्ता अच्छे से कवर हो जाएगा.
वेल हमने हमारी मेहनत की है, फिल्म बनाई है, कोशिश की है, बस भी अच्छा है, गाने भी लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं, उम्मीद पूरी है कि जैकपॉट लगे और लग रहा है चांसेस बेटर है.
सचिन जी कुछ नया रूप नजर आएगा इस फिल्म में? मैसेज भी है फिल्म में,
बहुत सारे आपको सभी के नए रूप दिखेंगे. आपको सनी का नया रूप दिखेगा, माया का, आपको नसीर साहब का एक नया गेटअप दिखेगा, मैं कुछ नया कर रहा हूँ जो मैंने आज तक पहले किया नहीं है, तो काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग फिल्म है. कसिनो का बैकड्रॉप है, बहुत सारा मजाक मस्ती और थ्रिलर है, तो आई थिंक ओवरऑल पब्लिक का भी जैकपॉट लगेगा. जैकपॉट देखते हैं. सॉरी, ये तो अभी आपको ऑडियंस ही निकल के बताएगी कि जैकपॉट किसका लगता है.
सचिन जी क्रिसमस आ रहा है, क्या प्लान है क्रिसमस का?
फिलहाल के लिए तो मैं कुछ सोच नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है. हम जिस वेटिंग के एक बार ये फिल्म निकल जाए, फिर उसके बाद सोचेंगे. फिलहाल तो मैं बॉम्बे में ही हूँ, कहीं नहीं जा.
सनी जी क्या प्लान है क्रिसमस के? क्या प्लान?
I am not sure अगर मैं इंडिया में होती or whether I'm going back to Los Angeles. So we'll see what happens. It's a catch-22. अगर मैं यहाँ होती, then I know that I'm working. अगर मैं घर जा रही हूँ, I'm seeing my family. So catch-22, क्या? What's the better choice? I have no idea.
न्यू ईयर विशेष करेंगे. हाय, आपका नाम पूछ देना.
हाय, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप सभी दर्शकों को मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं न्यू ईयर्स की और बहुत बहुत बधाई फॉर मेरी क्रिसमस एंड एंजॉय योर क्रिसमस एंड द न्यू ईयर्स.
I believe in I'm not sure if I believe in resolution, but I make one anyways. I think my resolution for this year is to not fight with my husband when he says I need a break and take the weekend off when he has it scheduled for 6 months in advance. So my New Year's resolution is to take a couple days off.
Sunny, have you recently visited Big Boss house? So how was the interaction with Salman? And how do you find it?
Unfortunately, I did not get to meet Salman on this show, but I hope to see him very soon, and we'll see what happens.
One New Year wish. Hi, this is Sunny Leon and wishing all the viewers. Camera.
Okay. Hi, I'm Sunny Leone, and I want to wish all the viewers out there Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
King Khan is coming. So what do you say?
Yeah.
Bollywood's King Khan is coming.
Khan is going to come for this company.
In your dreamer.
It's coming.
Yeah, he's coming.
Oh, is he coming tonight? If he comes tonight, it would be nothing but a dream come true. I have been watching his films for I don't know how many years, and I think that this will be the first person I see where I actually get starstruck. I will probably fumble over my words. I know I won't be cool. I won't be savvy in any way. It just would be so amazing if we get his blessings for this movie, and I hope that it does well because he endorses it or he's here to support us. Okay, great. Thanks.
Sunny, you saw the film. How did you find the response with the audience?
Well, hopefully they liked it. You never know how people feel about a film. I think at premieres, everybody tells you that they like it and that they love it and that they like your role, your looks, and all these things. But really, I think the results will come out tomorrow. Everybody's true opinion of what they saw of the movie. I liked it. I thought it was a great film. I thought that everything that we worked for in this movie was shown, so that I'm happy about.
I'm so sure like people appreciated your work at least.
I hope so.
Any compliment you got from people?
Well, I think that the biggest compliment you can get is when your friends and your family and people that you know come to support you. And this place was a packed house tonight. We have so many people here. And I think that's probably one of the biggest compliments you could get is when people are actually interested in your work. So,
now, what do you plan for promotion? In fact, would you be visiting any of the theaters?
Yes, tomorrow we start in Bangalore, and then I think we go to Delhi. And I know that there might be one or two other places that we might travel to. So we haven't stopped yet. It's still going on, our promotion, and I look forward to going to Bangalore tomorrow. I like it there a lot.
When you're talking about jackpot, like what's the thing that comes in your mind or anything in your life? Have you heard any kind of a jackpot or in real life? It's a small thing also, but
Sure. I think everybody out there will agree with me. जब मैं Big Boss में घर आई थी, वो मेरा jackpot है. Truly and honestly, Big Boss changed my whole world, my whole life, bringing me here to India, giving me the chance to be here. So I'm excited. This is my second film, and it's out, and it's going to be released to the public tomorrow. So this is a jackpot for me.
Sunny, recently you visited the Big Boss house. So how was it? How was it, and whom do you find that who should win according to you?
I was just in the Big Boss house. I believe my episode was aired tonight, wasn't it? I didn't get a chance to see it because I was here, and it's like you have that anxiety of going back into the Big Boss house. And I was in there for so long, I thought maybe Big Boss forgot about me and he was leaving me in there. I know that there's 2 weeks left of the show, but it's nice to see everybody from the show. I know that I don't know them so well, I mean personally on a one-on-one basis, but you have this connection of not knowing what they're going through, and they have a couple weeks left and they're all struggling, they're all tired, they all want to go home probably, but they're in the house, they have good spirits, and I wish them all good luck. And who I think the character I like the most would be Kamya.
Comedy you've seen like growing a lot in fact. Maybe Hindi is also improving a lot. You're working quite hard. What are the things going on, and how did you find your 2013 this year?
2013 has probably been the busiest year of my life. I have been working every single day this year, and I'm really thankful. I'm going to knock on my head, knock on wood out there for me, that it stays this way. This has been the most spectacular year I've ever had, and I hope that it stays this way. I hope it stays this way for a long time.
How are you looking forward to
Sunny, talking about-
2014? Looking towards 2014.
2014 is going to be an extremely special year for me. I have Ragini MMS 2 coming out, and then I also have Tina and Lolo that's going to be coming out, which is a movie that I'm really, really looking forward to, and I have still some shooting left for it. So it's going to be a great year coming up.
Any resolution for 2014? This is my last question. Any resolution? Like, do you believe in resolution?